Alrighty guys, face is on, so we're going to come in with this amazing palette from Klara Cosmetics. It's the Shanghai 24 eyeshadow palette. So I love the case. The case is just stunning. Alrighty, so number one in the palette at the top there is called Luminous. So we're just I'm gonna swatch them here for you. It's just a gorgeous white. Look at that though. Wow, very glittery. That is just stunning. All right, next one along is Sincere. It's a really light pink, very close to that first one, but it has actually got a touch of pink in it. I don't think you can see that on camera. Pretty. Plum Blossom. I think this one here is very similar to the colour that I have on today. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Wow, it's so beautiful, so soft. Like it. And it's it's not a glitter, it's a wow. Wow, 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 with a bit more wow. Have a look at that colour. It's a shimmer, that's what I was trying to find. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Royalty. Far out. That is just stunning. I have been busting to do this all week. And the last one in that row, which is more of a purple, it is Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Look at that. Wow. That's a colour story in itself, isn't it? That's absolutely gorgeous. Hope you can all see that reflecting on the camera there. So that's just the first row. In a row, we have Graceful. Beautiful. Oh, I can't get over how soft the formula is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is like a slight creamy colour. It's not white, but it's definitely got a pearl colour to it. It's just beautiful. Beautiful formula. Very pigmented, guys. That took a little bit to get off. So very pigmented. Next one along is a very neutral colour called Flourish. Going again. It's a very cream neutral colour. Next one along is Peachy Orchard. Very nice. Look at that. I think that colour is also in my dress today. Wow, the next one along is Futuristic. It is dark. Wow. It's like a grey. Looks black, but it's actually like a greyish colour to it. So it's yeah, wow. The formula is incredible. Next one along is Earth. The pigment is wonderful. It's really pigmented, called Power. Again, these would be awesome for a smoky eye. Look at that. First one is Oriental Petal. Wow, the shimmer in them are amazing. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, in between swatching, I am using cleanser to get it off, so it's highly pigmented, which is fantastic. I mean, that's what you're paying for, isn't it? Next one along in that row, second one along, is called Wealth. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Is Champagne Rose. And that's a shimmer. That is just amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Is Nanjing, and it's an orange, it's got more of an orange dark cream color to it. It's called Empress. This is beautiful. Again, heading into the pinks for me. Absolutely love them. Look at that. I hope you guys can actually see. That is just amazing. Last shade is called Sunset. Oh, that is just stunning. You can see that against the sunflower in the background. It's beautiful. Gorge. Absolutely gorge. Alright guys, so just coming in with that bottom row now. So it starts off with the colour Lilac. Self-explanatory really. Beautiful colour. It's called Peony, Peony. And looks like a peachy colour. They go very well together, don't they? Very pretty. It's called Sweet Tea. Very pretty. So these are all mattes. Next one along is Redwood. Wow. Very nice. The next one along is China Rose. Very beautiful burgundy colour. Look at that for a matte. That is just stunning. Wow. Look at that colour story, guys. You've got it there, Klara Cosmetics. Beautiful. And the last one in the palette is called Harmony. Last matte on the last row is called Harmony. Look at that. Wow. That's a beautiful story right there. Absolutely stunning. Alright guys, now that I've swatched them, I get to pick what colour I'm going to wear today. I have my face on apart from my eyeshadow, my eye work, so no mascara or anything yet. So let's get into it. With, I think, this lilac down the bottom. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm using Real Techniques, by the way. Tap it off. And what am I going to do? Come in. I'm just going to come in with Sweet Tea. colours are amazing. I love them. Awesome palette. I'm going to come in with Opulence. Let's give it a go. I don't know why I'm so nervous. This is just a beautiful palette, but I just want to get it right the first time. So, yeah, I think I'm going to come in with Opulence. Here goes. It's a beautiful colour. And to meet up with a sweet tea. Look at that. No fallout. Wow. Stunning. Stunning. Sometimes the best tool to apply it with is your fingers. It just rocks. I'm going to come in with an e.l.f. crease brush here, and I'm actually just going to try out the Luminous, the first colour in the palette. I'm just going to come into my inner corner. Hell yeah. Look at that. Oh, ah, that's awesome. Look at that. That just opens up your eyes, brightens it up. That's spectacular. So I'm going to use that as well, just to come underneath on the top of my eyebrow there. Wow. I'm hoping you guys can see that color. Wow, 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 wow. That is awesome. Have a look at that. That's gorgeous, guys. Whoop, whoop. Very happy. Very happy indeed. All right. Going to go and put some mascara on and maybe some lashes for the day. And I'll come back and see you shortly. There you go, have it guys. That is it, the finished look for today. I'm very, very happy with it. It's came in with a little bit of white eyeliner on my waterline, put a little bit of mascara from Maybelline on. All right, the star of the absolute show has been this Shanghai palette from Klara Cosmetics. Absolutely stunning. Really, really happy with it. Still got it sitting on my arm there. So, all right, peeps. Thanks as always for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Take care of you, and we'll catch you again soon. Bye bye. Mwah.